Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by opening Apple News and signing in with your Apple ID so your saved stories and preferences sync across devices. Once done, allow notifications if you want breaking alerts. This keeps you updated. Next, tap the following tab and select a few topics, channels, or newspapers to seed your Today feed. Make sure to pick a mix of broad categories and specific sources so the app learns what matters to you, which speeds personalized recommendations. Now focus on customizing the feed so it surfaces useful stories. Use the Today tab to browse curated pieces and the following tab to manage sources. When you find a source you like, tap Follow or the heart to emphasize it. Conversely, tap the More menu to mute or block channels you don't want. If a topic gets noisy, refine interests under Following by removing or adding keywords. This ongoing tuning improves relevance over time, so repeat these steps as your interests change. Finish by reading and organizing content. Open any article to read, tap Save to add it to your reading list, and use Share to send stories. Once done, enable offline reading in settings to cache articles for flights or low signal. This prevents interruptions. If saved items or following choices don't sync, make sure iCloud Drive and Apple News permissions are enabled, then sign out and sign back in to force a refresh. If problems persist, restart the device to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.